हेलो गाइस, सो इफ़ यू आर इन योर 20s और 30s देन मैं आपके सामने ये बात रख रही हूँ। आज के इस सुपर फास्ट डिजिटल इन्फॉर्मेशन के टाइम में आइदर हमें सब कुछ पता चल जाता है जो पता चलनी नहीं चाहिए, और जो पता होनी होती है वो नहीं होती है। सो आपकी सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जर्नी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी हो जाती है अगर इसकी शुरुआत जल्दी किया जाए तो। इसके लिए कुछ चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, और अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे स्कूल और कॉलेजेस में इसके बारे में ना बताया जाता है ना ही सिखाया जाता है। सो इन दैट केस आई एम गोइंग टू सजेस्ट यू वन चैनल known as Gnosis, GNOSIS.edu. You can see the logo on my screen. सो Gnosis एक ऐसा चैनल है जो कि होलिस्टिक एजुकेशन राइट फ्रॉम साइंस, इंग्लिश, जियोग्राफी, मोटिवेशन, ये सारे कंटेंट पे शेयर किए जाते हैं वीडियो इस पे। सो यू मस्ट चेक इट वंस। बहुत ही अच्छी चैनल है, एंड आपको अच्छा लगे तो डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल and get an insight to the timeless values and principles that enrich the human lives. These guys are also providing webinars. First introductory session is completely free, and so make sure to be available for the webinar in the link given below. I'm going to give all the details in my description box. You can check it there, and I'm sure it is going to help you in boosting your inner spirit. हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड। So today I will show you how I made these women with long and beautiful gown. I have used reverse dip technique here. बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy है, complicated बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। आप बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy करने वाले हो while doing this process. So I would like to share that I was trying this technique in my way. So मुझे नहीं पता था कैसा आएगा। I just want to know how it works out, and I got the product and it mesmerized me. So that's the reason I converted that rough work into this beautiful piece. I'm going to guide you the whole process, how I have done it step by step. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Things needed for this activity are color, canvas, plastic cover and brush. Okay then, let's get started with the video. So take a plastic cover and spray some water. Then keep some colors on it. Randomly you can use any color as per your wish. I have used here black, yellow and red, and simply paste the paper directly on the colors. So here I lost the video, so I am doing it again, so kindly do have a look at it. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिंपली ये कलर्स डालने के बाद आपको पेपर लेना है एंड उस पर प्रेस कर देना है. So the colors will get absorbed on the paper and it will give the beautiful effect. See how beautiful it came out. Once this is done, draw the woman and cut the previously made painting into a desired shape so that it looks like a gown. It perfectly looks like a gown. So once it is done, apply some gum, Fevicol and stick it to the canvas. So here I am going to use yellow ochre for the skin. And next you can apply some brown color for shadowing. So the upper portion of the gown I am going to keep it simple black, as it looks simple and beautiful. And with this we are done with our painting. Let's go for the second one. Similar way, you just draw the women first, then take the previously made painting and cut it into the desired shape. Color the body. The same procedure you need to follow here. So it's very easy, anybody can do it, so give it a try at home. So once the coloring is done, once the painting is done, you simply need to stick the gown previously made onto the paper. Please do write me in the comment box if you have any queries, and let me know how you feel about this video. Till the next video, stay safe and stay connected.